Okay, and this is the last engine. This is a 1600 engine that I have disassembled. As you can see, it is an automatic, or at least it was. I have a camshaft here. Take a look. Can't really tell much about it. Here's the oil cooler. Here is the crankshaft. See if I can get in close. Rocker arm that comes with it. Here's the box of meticulously labeled parts. And I can show you. Let's see, we have tins down here. It isn't, no, not the complete tins, it's just the cylinder tins, pretty much. I have the pistons here. You'll probably want to change them. I have the cylinders and heads sitting over here. The left head is pretty much junk. It had a cracked fin, so the right cylinder head you could probably use as a core. That's pretty much all I would use them for. And here's one of the individual cylinders. And we'll take a look around the engine case. As you can see, it is a AH case. Cleaned it up a little bit. That's what the insides look like. Take a look around here. As you can see, it's missing two of the studs. Don't know anything about that. Get a look at the inside here. And again, this one would be a good start to your project. Alright, thanks for looking.